Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add a song to iMovie. If you want to add songs to your video projects on iMovie, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open up iMovie application on your iPhone or your iPad and select Open a project you want to add a song to. After selecting a project open, click on Edit. Now, tap on the plus button at the top left corner and from the menu, select Audio. Choose one of the options from the audio effect and select a song you would like to add to your project. After selecting one of these songs, click on the plus button. In order to add the song to your timeline, you will then be able to see that you have successfully added a song to your project. You can now go ahead and select the song's layer and click on the speaker icon at the bottom in order to increase or decrease the volume of your added song. Use the slider to increase or decrease the volume. You can also add fade effect by tapping on fade on the bottom right. Edit your fade effect according to your preference and you will then be able to add a song to your video project. After you are done, click on the done option at the top left to save your changes. And that is how you can easily add a song on iMovie project. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.